Okay, so welcome to this short video that is going to talk you through metabolism. So that is B4 lesson 9. Hopefully by the end of today you'll be able to describe what metabolism is and give specific examples of metabolic reactions. And hopefully you'll be able to explain how enzymes work in relation to metabolic rate. Keywords I'll use today are respiration, nutrients, chemical reactions, metabolic reactions and enzymes. So first of all, what is metabolism? What do we mean when we hear that? So, that's referring to all the chemical reactions that take place in the body. It is the sum of all the chemical reactions that take place in the body cells. Sometimes people think that metabolism is the rate at which food is digested. Now that's not correct. Digestion doesn't count as a metabolic process, as it doesn't occur inside the cells. I hope that makes sense. Let's have a look at these chemical reactions in a bit closer detail then. So, chemical reactions occur all the time in our body, and as we know, they are controlled by enzymes. And enzymes are biological catalysts, so they are made from protein. They speed up reactions, but they're not used in the reaction, they're not used up. Okay, so as you can see here, an enzyme is catalysing a reaction to give us our product. Now many reactions can link together to form bigger reactions. Now in some chemical reactions in the body, large molecules can be made from smaller ones. For example, lots of glucose molecules can join to form starch. Also, large molecules can be broken down into smaller ones. For example, glucose is broken down during respiration. Let's have a look at metabolic rate. Now, metabolic rate refers to the rate at which all cellular reactions occur in our body. An organism's metabolic rate is the amount of energy expended by the organism in a given time period, and that is usually daily. At rest, so when you're not walking or exercising, this is known as your basal metabolic rate, often referred to as BMR, and that is a lot lower compared to when completing activities like exercising. So let's have a look again in a bit closer detail at how enzymes work in some of these chemical reactions that take place in our body. So as I said before, enzymes are biological catalysts made of proteins, and they have a specific shape which is called their active site. And this active site is complementary in shape to the substrate. Now this model is often referred to as a lock and key model because the enzyme could be referred to as the lock, and the substrate can be compared to this key, and the key fitting in this lock is called the enzyme substrate complex. Okay, so only that key will fit in the lock. So the enzymes are catalysts that speed up chemical reactions which are not used up in the reaction itself. So the enzymes are referred to as specific. So each enzyme's active site has a specific shape for the substrate involved. That means that the body has many different enzymes for all of the substrates that are involved in the reactions of the body. It's not one enzyme used for all reactions. Enzymes, hopefully this is a bit of a revision for you, work within very specific optimum conditions and can be affected by these conditions if they vary. For example, enzymes in our body work best at body temperature, which we know is 37 degrees. If the temperature is lower, then they work more slowly. Higher temperatures may change the shape of the enzyme's active site. This would mean that the enzyme would no longer work. It would be said to be denatured. I hope that has been a helpful video to talk you through metabolism. Thank you.